Hand-stamped book stacks are perfect for farmhouse fans. They make for quick and easy decor or great last-minute personalized gifts for family and friends. You need paperback books, stamps, an ink pad, and twine. Peel the covers off the books. Press the stamps into the ink pad, making sure that the stamp is fully coated in ink. Press the ink stamps onto the books. If you stamp it a little off, don't worry, it adds character. After you have stamped all the books, wrap twine around the book stack and tie the twine in a bow. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.